One of the most attractive features is its ability to keep a continuous history for each asset on the map. For example, if I was replacing out this meter, I click on the meter, I go to the notes field, I enter what I did, then when I close and apply my changes, that note's there forever. Or if I flush a fire hydrant, I come down here to the fire hydrant, I enter a note. Sometimes it can be just real simple. All notes are time and date stamped along with a record of who entered the note. Or if I was to inspect a sewer line, I can just click on that section of sewer line, add a note, and just say what I did. Every note you enter is immutable. That means no one can ever come in here and change what you've entered. This prevents anyone from tampering with your notes so that you can always trust it. Now, by default, only people with editing permission on this layer can actually add notes or attachments. See video 222 for instructions on how to set up permissions. However, there is a special option that allows people who are not technically editors of this layer to still contribute notes and attachments. To set up this special permission override for a layer, you would go to your list of layers, select a layer, go to the settings, scroll down to advanced settings. Here you see an option titled allow non-editors to, and then you have two options, add notes and attach documents. When the add notes checkbox is checked, this means that all users on your account can add notes to a feature even if they don't have editing permission. The same is true for attaching documents.